Adding a new post to your blog is pretty much like working with any other web page within your SiteProgress website. Let's go ahead and take a look at our demo site and see how a blog post is laid out. It starts with the title of your post and then gives information about when you made the post. And then here you'll see that there are some comments to the post. Now that's an optional feature. You can either decide to allow comments or not. And that decision is handled in the blog administration area. And if you're interested in learning how to do that, please take a look at the blog administration tutorial. And then below that is the actual content of the blog post, which in this case is just some placeholder text. And now over to the right, you'll see that there's an archive section, and SiteProgress automatically archives your posts on a month-to-month basis as you build them up. So let's go back to the admin and create a blog post. The nice thing about this tool is that you have the full set of tools and features available to you so that your post doesn't have to be just text. It can contain images, links, and can be marked up any way that you would like. So let's go ahead and make a post that's got a little bit more jazz to it than just some text. We'll go ahead and first give the post a name, and we'll say this is earthquake in Wyoming. And then I copied some text out of an article about an earthquake in Wyoming. I'm just going to paste that in here. And now let's go ahead and add an image to this. So I'm going to bring this down a couple of spaces, and I uploaded a picture earlier that I'm going to place here. If you'd like to learn more about uploading images, you can look at the Upload Manager tutorial. So anyway, I'll open Show Images and come down here and find the image, which is this one right here. I'm going to copy that file name. I'm going to put my cursor down where I want the image and select the image editing tool and paste this image name in. By the way, if you want more information on using these tools that I'm working with right now, please take a look at the main text area tutorial. It goes into much more detail. So I'm just moving along quickly with this part for now. So I'm going to click there and confirm that that's the image that I want, and it is. So I'm going to go ahead and say Insert, and I'm going to place that image right there. Now, another thing that I can do is create a link. So let's say that I want to do that. So I want to go ahead and shift it down and say click here for the entire article. Okay, and now I'm going to go out to CNN, which is where I got this article from, and this is the page, this is the article that I'm going to reference. And what I need to do to create this external link in my blog is just go ahead and copy the entire address where this exists. So I can go ahead and copy that address into memory. I'm going to go ahead and close this page now. And then I'm going to highlight click here, and I'm going to create a link. Again, you can learn how to create links in much more detail by looking at the main text area tutorial. All right, so I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to paste in the link, and I want it to open in a new window, and so I'll insert that. So now we see that there's a hypertext link there. I'm going ahead and click Save. And now let's go out to our sample site and take a look. We'll go ahead and refresh. And sure enough, there we have our new post. It's placed first. The posts are placed in based on time, with the newest post showing up at the top. And we've got our title, the time it was placed, and our nice image. And then we've got the click here for the entire article, which I can roll over, and if I click on it, it'll open up a new window and have the referencing article. So you can do lots of different things with your blog posting. You can actually turn this into sort of an e-newsletter if you want. It doesn't have to be a blog. It's got a lot of power to it. All right, so that's New Post. If you have any questions on New Post, please feel free to send us an email at support@siteprogress.com.